Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button. So let's get right into it. What is happening? Well, like and subscribe. We're just stuck on this little island. Now it's a big island. Well, anyway, like and subscribe. And this is my username if you want to add me as a friend. So yeah. Let's go on the bridge. Oh, no. Do I want to do this? Probably not. Probably not, guys. Probably not. Let's see what happens. Oh. So, apparently we can't press the button. Guys, let's try to find the button. Oh, someone already found it. Let's go press the button. Awesome. Oh my goodness, there's dogs falling. Do you die if you touch one or something? Oh no, actually no. Nothing happens. Oh my goodness, guys! Whoa! Guys, we survived that one. Hope you like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any other ideas for future videos on this channel. And I can't hop fast enough. I'm not that good at it. Oh, look at the map. It's just flooded. And we're stuck. I'm pretty sure everyone died. Oh. Are you joking, guys? I was literally there. I don't know why I died. Don't move. Oh, I can move now. Okay. Okay.
That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage. Get away from the bomb! Get away from the bomb! Get away from the bomb! Uh-oh. I fell. Yay! A table! No one died. Uh-oh, questions. Here, let me get this out of the way for you guys. Oh. There we go. Because that might be annoying for you guys. How did I die? Are you supposed to touch the lasers? I didn't touch the lasers. Oh, we have a fan right here. What? Well, actually, guys, I don't know if she's a fan, but I don't know. The button has been pressed. 400. What? Well, I'm on the platform. Oh, goodness. Wow, look at this. It's so pretty. Whee! Oh, guys, this is actually so pretty. Oh, it's gone. This is actually a fun game. Comment down below any other Roblox games or other games or something. Whatever. Oh no, there's Baldi. Run, 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 run. Where's Baldi? Huh? Huh? Oh no, I have a big head. I have a big head now. Guys, look at me. I have a big head. Now there's a bomb. Everyone wants to get blown up. I'm running away. Didn't matter. Okay, this is pretty fun. Oh. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm coming. I don't know how to swing. Guys. So, comment down below how to swing, because I don't know how to swing. How do you swing? Okay, guys, I'm just pressing every button at this point. I don't know how to swing. Is it like 1, 2, or 3 or something? Comment down below. That way, like, I don't know how to shoot. I don't know how to... No, I was too far. What? Wait, no one made it. Oh, actually, no one made it. Oh. Okay. Yeah, but I'm gonna need your help on... Yay, I got a victory royale.
Now that's a victory royale.
I didn't know it was coming up behind me, guys. And well, let's watch everyone else fail. Well, actually, not really. How far can my camera go out? Goodbye, world. Goodbye. Oh, look at my little body jumping. You can see me jumping. I'm coming for you. I'm coming. Ah! Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh. Not a good idea. No. Guys, it's falling, it's falling, it's falling, it's falling, it's falling. Oh my goodness. Guys. It's falling, guys. Oh dear. Oh.
Luke, what are you playing?
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like trains.
Oh my goodness, a train just went by. Well, guys, I think that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you like and subscribe, comment down below any other ideas for future videos. And we'll see you guys in the next video.